AiXun T413 Smart Soldering Station, a revolution in industrial soldering. The first integrated smart soldering station with 200 watt peak power and a square industrial frequency transformer. Anti-static and anti-interference ensure long-term and stable operation with high power. Built-in temperature monitoring system, switch temperature channel by touching, enable blind control through sound, improve the convenience. AI Smart Voice Control allows you to adjust temperature of soldering station without manual operation. Free your hands so as to keep focus on soldering skills. Here is the good news. AiXun T413 will release the activation code lottery activity, and there is an opportunity to win 100,000 RMB cash bonus. There are also some mysterious gifts. Stay tuned!